Several schools in Delhi and Noida have been evacuated after receiving a bomb threat via email. Police officials are on the site conducting thorough search operations. Sanskriti School in Chanakyapuri, Mother Mary School at Mayur Vihar in East Delhi and Delhi Public School at Dwarka were among the first schools to receive the threat early morning today. Since then, we're told 5 other schools have also received similar mails claiming that there are explosives on the campus. In fact, one of the schools, Mother Mary, was conducting an exam and had to stop it midway as the search ops started. The school declared an emergency and asked everyone to leave the premises immediately. This is a developing story we're tracking at the moment. We have reactions coming in from the DCP Southwest, Rohit Meena. Listen in to what the police has to say.
ये बेसिकली जो हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली तो सुबह 4:15 बजे के आसपास कई जगह सेम मेल कंटेंट सबको मेल किया गया और इसके बाद हमने इमीडिएटली वी स्वंग इनटू एक्शन और हमने सारे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लेते हुए बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी देखते हुए सब जगह चेकिंग कराई और स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ डिसीजन लेते हुए कई जगह को स्कूल्स को बच्चों को जो अपने वो घर भी चले गए हैं और सभी स्कूल्स में चेकिंग अभी जारी है और ये जो मेल है इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी दिल्ली पुलिस की जितनी भी टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन विंग्स हैं सारी कर रही हैं और फर्दर अभी इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं.
Right, the breaking news story we're tracking at the moment. Several schools in Delhi and Noida have been evacuated after receiving a bomb threat. Now, schools received this bomb threat via email. Police officials, as we speak, are on the site conducting thorough search operations. We can share with you that currently no suspicious items have been found on the school campuses. Bomb hoax emails were sent to 8 Delhi NCR schools is what we can share with you at the moment. In fact, we've got the Delhi Police PRO on the phone line with us. Thank you so much for joining us with a quick comment. We're told bomb detection teams, bomb disposal squads and officials of the Delhi Fire Service have been rushed to all these 8 schools?
I would like to state that we have received multiple calls from schools regarding the threat of planting bombs in them. So we are taking all appropriate measures. Thorough checks are being done at all the locations from wherever we are receiving these information. So nothing untoward has been found in any of these schools. So I guess the primary objective looks like it was to create a panic. So I request all the parents not to panic. Let us do our job and thorough investigation will be done on why and how it has happened.
Right. Ms. Nalva, also, you're saying that the search teams have not found anything suspicious yet, but efforts are currently being made to find out the IP address of the threatening email that's been received by multiple schools?
As I said, thorough investigation will be done because it has been done in a very systematic way where multiple schools at the same time have been given this information. So primary objective could be to spread panic. So that's why I would like to tell the parents not to panic. We are doing whatever is required to ensure safety and security of all the schools and children. So not to panic is the motto.
Right. No need to panic at the moment, as the Delhi Police PRO is asserting. But ma'am, for the benefit of our viewers, if you could take us through which are these 8 schools in the NCR region that have received this hoax call?
Again, I would not like to comment on it because it unnecessarily spreads the panic in the area. So just remember that we are doing everything possible and up till now, we have been searching, we have been taking all precautionary measures and nothing has been found. That's the key.
Right. Nothing suspicious has been found yet by Delhi police officials, as the Delhi Police PRO, Ms. Suman Nalva, has just informed NDTV. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us.